Hey art friends, today we're going to draw the unicorn emoji. I hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with me. You have a marker or something to draw with and some paper. If I ever go too fast, remember you can always pause the video. We're first going to start by drawing a circle right in the middle of our paper, and this is for the unicorn's eye. Then we're going to color that circle in. Next, we're going to draw our unicorn's ear. We're going to draw an A shape right next to the eye, but above it. So we're going to start here. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then back down. Now inside of this shape, we're going to draw the inside of the ear. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to draw a curve that comes down and then back up. Now let's draw the unicorn's hair in front of the ear. So we're going to draw a curve that comes out from the ear and then curves back up. Then we're going to draw that same shape again, but we're going to draw it bigger. We're going to come out, curve down, and get really close to the eye, and then we're going to curve back up and into the ear. Now we could draw another shape right in between these two first shapes. They kind of look like bananas. Now let's draw the second ear back behind this hair. So we're going to draw the same shape, but we're going to draw it smaller since it's being covered up or being overlapped by the hair. So we go up and we're going to go to the same height and then we're going to come back down. Then let's draw the inside of the ear, so that same line, and it's just going to come down and connect to the hair. Next, let's draw the horn. We're going to draw a really tall A shape. So we're going to draw a line. It starts about halfway down the hair, and we're going to draw that line. It comes up and it goes a little higher than the ear, and then we're going to come back down, and then we're going to end close to the hair. Now we can curve back and connect into the hair. Then let's divide up the horn because there's lots of colors. We're going to draw a curve, a diagonal curve. It's going to come down right in the middle of the horn. Then we're going to draw two more below that one. So one, and then we're going to draw one that's really small next to the hair. Then let's draw three more above that first line. So we're going to draw 1, 2, and 1 right at the end for the third one. All right, now let's draw the nose to our unicorn. We're going to start right here where the horn is, and we're going to curve down and then back the other direction. Then we're going to draw the front of our unicorn's nose. It's going to curve down, back the other direction. Now right here, we're going to draw the mouth, and we're going to draw a curve that comes in and back up. Then we'll come back to the front of the mouth, and we're going to draw the bottom of our unicorn's mouth. It's going to curve like this, and then back up and almost follow the same direction as the mouth. Now we could draw the cheek to our unicorn. We're going to curve back this way, and then back up. Kind of looks like an S curve. Cool. All right, now let's draw the nostril for our unicorn. We're going to draw a backward C first, and then we're going to turn it into a bean shape. So we're going to curve, then back the other direction, and then connect to the top. Then we can color in this shape. The front of our unicorn's nose is purple, so we're going to start about halfway down, and we're going to draw an S curve. So we'll curve one direction and then back the other. All right, now we're ready to draw the hair on the back of our unicorn's head, or the mane. Let's start by drawing a curve coming out of the back of the ear. We're going to curve up. We can even go a little further if we need to. And then let's curve back into the ear. So I'm going to curve one direction and then back the other direction. Looks like an S also. Now we're going to draw another shape right underneath that one. We're going to draw another U shape, curves down and then back up. And then we're going to curve back into the hair. It looks like a banana. We're drawing a lot of bananas on our unicorn. Now we're going to draw a shape going the other direction. So we're going to curve down and then we'll curve back up. Cool. Now, these shapes are also going diagonal. So they're coming down, but they're also going to the right. Now we're going to draw a really long shape. It's going to come down also and curve out. and then back up and connect into that smaller piece. This next piece of hair is really big. We're going to start here. We're going to curve to the left. Then we're going to curve back, but we're going to come all the way up and almost connect to this piece right here. Down here at the bottom, there's one last little piece curving to the right. All right, cool. We're almost done with the mane. We just need to come back up here and we're going to draw a really big S line that comes down and connects to this big piece. So we'll start here. We're going to curve out, then curve the other direction, back out, and then connect down into the bottom. We did it. We finished the hair. Now we just need to draw the neck. We're going to start right here under the cheek. We're going to draw a line that comes down, and then it's going to curve back up and connect to the piece of hair right here. And that's it. We did it. We finished drawing our unicorn emoji. It looks really cool, except it's going to look a lot better once we color it in. Now this part I'm going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. It looks so much better all colored in. I hope you're gonna take the time to color your drawings also. Now I used a lot of shading to make the emoji look more 3D. You can leave the shading off to keep this lesson a lot easier. I first colored the purple parts pink, and then I used dark purple to add the shading. I also left a white highlight going down the unicorn's horn to make it look shiny. Remember, it's okay if your drawings don't look exactly like mine. The most important thing is to have fun and to practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.